This tutorial will show you to make iPhone faster online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Ladies and gents, boys and girls, circles and squares, there's a couple ways to make your iPhone faster completely for free. I'm going to pop this up on the screen. Basically, you can pick and choose, or you can do all three. In this case, I think we're going to do all three. So basically, the first step are your settings. And click the settings icon or logo on your iPhone or iOS device. And basically now you're going to scroll down, click general, which is above control center and below screen time. This is pretty self-explanatory. This actually isn't anything new. You can click on iPhone storage. Basically, you can clear some of your iPhone storage or gigabytes and locate some of the applications. Delete. You can even delete old conversations and attachments. Back. Way to actually speed up your phone, I didn't know this, but this is a bonus, is background app refresh, which is below iPhone storage. Basically, you want to have this off because basically this is going to take up a lot of space and a lot of utility if this is turned on. And well, we're trying to make our iPhone faster, so you want to make sure that this is turned off. Another way is while you're still under settings, click the search icon right here, type in assistive touch, which should be this option right here, which is above always show menu. And you want to enable this or make sure this is turned on. It's turned off, it's turned on. Because if you click on this little circle or this dot icon, you want to click device, which is on the top right hand screen. And basically you want to hold down lock screen, which is on the top left hand screen. Say like 2 seconds. Okay, so now we don't want to power off our device. We want to click the circle or this dot icon one more time and hold down home seconds, which is on the bottom hand screen. As you can see, now we're on the home screen and we just basically cleared out our RAM or memory and we made our iPhone faster. Trust me, if you don't believe me, try this. It's going to absolutely blow your mind.